and petroleum. This is a chapter of class 8th. So students, today in this video, I am going to give you a brief introduction about what exactly coal and petroleum are. To start with, we should know that coal and petroleum are fuels. So what is a fuel? A fuel क्या होता है? So any material that burns or it combines with other substances or reacts with other substances and gives us thermal energy which can be utilized, that is what is known as a fuel. अब ये जो fuel हैं ये दो तरह के हैं. The first is exhaustible and the second is inexhaustible. In other words, exhaustible मतलब वो जो खत्म हो जाए और inexhaustible मतलब वो जो कभी खत्म ना हो. Exhaustible को in other words we can also call it non-renewable, मतलब वो renew नहीं हो सकता, वो दोबारा नहीं बन सकता. And inexhaustible को हम बोल सकते हैं renewable source. So these are the different sources of energy. तो exhaustible वो हैं जो खत्म हो जाएंगे, जो generally कौन से होते हैं? Fossil fuels. और inexhaustible कौन से हैं जो कभी नहीं खत्म होते? For example, solar energy is there, hydro energy is there, water energy is there. You are getting electricity from this water, you are getting electricity from the solar energy. So these kind of energy is something which will never be finished. अब ये fossils क्या होते हैं? So fossils are the dead remains of plants and animals. Now what happens is that these fossils, which are the remains of dead plants and animals, they start getting buried. ये कहाँ bury होना शुरू होते हैं? या तो land पे या sea में. So they are getting buried layer by layer under the soil, and as a result of which the temperature is rising. बहुत ज़्यादा heat हो जाती है जब layer by layer bury होने लगता है, and same way because of that pressure also increases. तो ये जो fuels बनते हैं by burying of the remains of the dead plants and animals, they are known as the fossil fuels. Under the sea, what is happening? The dead plants and animals, they also get buried inside the sea. Layer by layer, they are getting deposited. They are exhaustible fuels. Means, इन्होंने खत्म हो जाना है क्योंकि इनको बनने में million of years लगे हैं. So they will not be available to us after few years if we are not using them carefully or judiciously. हमको इनको बहुत ध्यान से यूज़ करना है, इनको वेस्ट नहीं करना है, इनको कंजर्व करना है. This is very, very important that we need to remember as far as fuel consumption is concerned. Coal है, petroleum है या natural gas है, these all are the fossil fuels and इनको हमको बहुत ध्यान से यूज़ करना है. Now, from the coal, we are getting different substances which are put to different kind of uses. For example, we are getting coke, we are getting coal gas, we are getting coal tar. Same way, when we are refining, means when we are purifying the petroleum, we are getting many substances from it which are also put to different uses. For example, we are getting the petroleum gas, we are getting petrol, we are getting paraffin wax, we are getting diesel, we are getting lubricating oil. So these are the different substances which we are getting from petroleum after refining it. For a detailed explanation of this chapter, stay connected with me on my channel, Rise to Shine. Thank you so much, students. God bless you all.